Hey guys, this is Kuldeep, and today is the day for the challenge number 3. It is 8th of March, so for the next 7 day till 14th of March, we are gonna do this challenge. The challenge name is Learning Excel. Now, in the previous video, you have seen that I was making the portfolio, and I said that in the portfolio building, I will learn the Excel in the last 3 days. But then I realized Excel is a very big thing, and I need to go deeper in it, and hence I chose to give a whole week to learning Excel. So in this one, I will not only learn Excel, and why this video is good for you as well. I will learn basic of Excel, I will learn advanced Excel, but I will also learn using app script in Excel. So app script is something that is like a programming language. Right now I have zero knowledge about it. So what I know, from where I know, wherever I don't even know from where I know this, but app script is like a programming language that you can apply in the uh, Microsoft Excel. No, Microsoft Excel, sorry, Microsoft Excel has a different language, and the Google Sheet has a different language. So Google Sheet has app script and Excel has something else. I forgot right now, but when I will learn it, I will let you know. So that's what I'm going to learn. I will go with the Google Sheet in learning it, because wherever I have worked with, I haven't seen any use of Excel that much. Everyone uses Google Sheet, so that's why I will be learning Google Sheet. So that's what I'm going to do today. I will tell you like all the plan that I have from learning about Excel, and what all I need to know before learning it. So you're gonna see it in a few minutes. This is just the introduction video for this whole challenge. So see you. It's 2 minutes 25 seconds. I need to make a lot of plan. Bye. See you soon. And yeah, I'm gonna make some changes to my appearance as well. I will trim my beard, as I know I'm looking like a jungly. So that's what I will do. So see you. Bye. Okay, so I'm not using any gimbal right now, so it's gonna be shaky. Anyways, I was telling you that after learning this Excel for like 1 week now, I mean, it's been, today is 13th, so 6 week now, I have to say it is just amazing experience. Like literally I had no idea that it was this much big to understand, to learn, and so many different things were there. I will just show you what all I have done till now. Let me just open the, yeah, okay. So I started from here where I wrote what all these individual different mutual funds that I have chosen in the last video, and I categorized them like this. But right now at this moment I am gone so much deep that I have to even do more in this, because let me just because where is it? Yeah, because there are so many things that needs to be learned yet, like connecting it with the internet, using the API, so that the values of the stock or the values of the mutual fund can be automatically refreshed, and I will know that if I'm progressing, when am I getting a good window to collect, like buy NAVs at lower cost and buy mutual fund at low NAV basically. And all these things, I have to go even more deeper into this. Even I'm thinking that I should set up some kind of AI agent that would give me notifications whenever market is moving properly the way I want. Like right now, as the whole index like Nifty 50 has fallen 3% till now in the last 2 weeks. So something like this will also cause the mutual fund to also come at lower NAVs, and you have to, during this time, not lump sum, because the lump sum you should only do when you are getting 10% crash. Then you should invest like 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees, 5 lakh rupees. But when you are getting a small crash and it is not that much evident that you will get a bigger crash, so for 3% down you can invest, like if your SIP is 6,000 rupees, for 3% down you can invest like 20,000, 30,000 rupees at once, and then next 1% down, invest more, then next 1% down, invest more, something like this, because you cannot predict it that when it is gonna be more down or when it is gonna get up. So this is what I'm going to do. Let me just show you some of the things that I have done till now. That's I have collected the NAVs of different mutual funds that are there. So I have also made a list of different mutual funds right here, with how much investment, how much allocation I should do. Now you will see that I haven't really applied whatever I have learned till now, because I was applying on a dummy data, and tomorrow is the last day of this challenge. So right now I'm going to get a haircut. It's getting so much hot here, so these hairs are causing so much trouble for me. And then in this next minute I will show you all this data that I have just jumbled around on this sheet, professionally turning into a dashboard, and finally concluding my skill challenge of learning Excel. And then I will tell you what is my next challenge. So see you after haircut. So I'm back uh, into focus, and with the new haircut, let me know how it is looking. Anyways, so today is 14th of March. The week has finished, and I have um, summed it up all, the whole 7 days, into these three videos, the three part that you have seen already. This is the third part. And yep, just like the last video, I'm also not using gimbal again, and I will just show you what I have done. There are more things to be done into this, like first video was about learning, second video was about understanding finance, third video is about um, doing Excel Google Sheet properly to manage it all at one place, that I will show you now. Now what you are seeing here on the dashboard, this is the Excel file with some uh, dummy data, and that's how it's gonna look like in the final form, where it will be having all the data related to different things that you can check under the uh, your portfolio. Now something that you need to check, I mean something that I specifically understood, is a lot of things that I have not seen before related to my funds, related to Excel sheet, and other things that were quite amazing to learn at this level in just 1 week. So I am going to learn more about Excel, and in the next challenge I will be learning about APIs and Python. So maybe the next challenge will be of 2 weeks, or maybe the next 15 days of the March. I will be learning the Python and API, trying to connect the financial data to pull from the Google and refresh onto this one sheet, where we'll see how it works. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one, and next one is gonna be a bit more better. I am learning how to make them properly, how to show all the challenges in a way, all 7 days, in a way that would be engaging. And I know right now it is very much boring, so let's see how much I will improve. That's also a learning of the channel. So me, Kuldev Guldial, signing out from BOMTICC. See you the next challenge.